All right, so here we're just gonna paint up this frame. Started with some brown in the details. Just gonna go ahead and, this is a chalk paint, so we didn't have to prime this first, which is really nice. So on this part, we're using the majority of the paint on the flat areas, and then once the paintbrush is kind of running a little lower on the paint, we can go over the details with more of a dry brush so that we're not getting too much paint over the brown. So we just want just a little bit of the brown to show through. So basically you're just going to be careful that you're not overloading your brush. We'll load up a little bit more heavy on the sides here. As you can see on this part, I'm kind of angling my brush, so I'm not going straight down. It's just kind of on a sideways motion, so it might let some of the brown come through. It's not showing a lot of brown, but just a little bit. I'm gonna cover this edge up right here because I don't want that showing. I want to be a little bit more consistent. So you can just see there's just a slight hint of it coming through on that. There's another technique that if you just painted it solid, you could get the same look adding the brown later, but it takes a little bit more elbow grease. I find that this method is a little bit easier. Okay, so you kind of can see here how that's getting done. We'll go ahead and finish that up, and hopefully that gives you an idea of how to get this look. So again, I'm just going sideways with my brush on this part instead of straight down.